Like those guys?
Oh, yes. That's them.
It was sent by Gigantus! Everyone, make a run for it!
Price of opposing me!
Help!
There's a fallen guard there!
Aren't you the dog?
Oh, you're the guard captain's men. What happened?
Pirates wearing black bandanas attacked us while we were on patrol.
That's right. They were spotted at the coastal guard post, and now they're here.
Hold on. Where is this guard post?
You'll see it past those twin boulders to the north.
Sounds like as good a place as any to start.
It's the difference between you and me!
Turn you into corpse.
Yeah! Do not underestimate the Terra Imperial Army!
Over there!
Crap! Those pirate bastards!
Hey! You're mine!
Who the hell are you?
Your friends are at the post unconscious. Go check them, now!
What? Thank you, Lily. Catch you later.
Where's your boss?
You mean Congaro? Ha! That crazy bastard's not our boss!
Woohoo! This is exciting! Let's all go together!
This is the difference between you and me!
Toy hammer of shocking fear!
He's not their boss? What's going on over there?
Let's catch one of them and find out. That's kind of my specialty.
Your specialty? What are you up to?
You'll see soon enough. That's what a troubleshooter does.
The Dimension Stone told me about divinity. First, tap on the main menu. Now, tap on divinity. Divinity refers to mysterious powers that heroes have. Currently, Many powers are laying dormant. You can enhance them with runes. You can check your activated divinity here. Divinity affects everyone on your team. Tap on Attack. You can check the information of each category here. Tapping Enhance strengthens the ability. Tap on Auto Power Up to enhance each category in order.
Who are you? You're mercenaries?
That's us. We encountered your patrolmen. They were attacked by pirates. They should be making their way back with the wounded soldier.
Oh, damn it. I knew this would happen. If only the captain wasn't so careless when he sent us out here. The thing is, over the last few days, those pirates have been showing up at the northern snowy mountain.
Wait, mountain, you say? I suppose that's the reason they couldn't be found on the shore, then.
Pirates in the mountains, huh? All right, then. To the northern snowy mountain.
Finally, I found you here! Damn it! We've been made! Run!
Where's Congero?
Congero? Who cares about Congero? He abandoned us!
This is the difference between you and me!
Toy hammer of shock and fear!
Tell us everything if you want to live. Where did you hide the tyrant's heart?
Ask Congero! He's controlling the Boris tribesmen with it!
What? He's controlling them?
Oh my. I thought it was just a rumor.
Jasper, what do you mean?
The tyrant's heart is an artifact which used to belong to the ruler of the frozen land. Rumor has it that you can bring the Boris tribe to their knees with it.
This is the difference between
Let's go in deeper.